Lab1C preparation video demonstration. In this preparation, I have explored the uses of position labels and position offsets while programming this robot. So I have two primary positions in this program, which are the first one is the ready position and the second one is the pick position. So between these two positions I have an offset of 100 millimeters in the z direction, in the vertical direction. So, and I have used position level 8 for moving to ready position, and which does not have any obstacles around it. And I have used position level 4 for moving to the approach position, which is 100 meters offset from the peak position. And then I have used position level 0 for moving to the peak position, and again position level 0 for moving back to the approach position, which is offset from offset of 100 millimeters from the peak position. And finally I have used a position level of 8 for moving back to the ready position again. So we're going to see how this works out. Play, start. So in the first step it is moving to the offset position. Now it is moving from offset to peak position and back to offset, and then back to ready position again. Okay, I'm going to start this again. So in the first step it is moving to the approach position. Now in the second step it has already started, it is moving to the peak position. Now that it has reached the peak position, it is returning back to the offset position, the approach position, and it has a position level of 0, so it is accurately following the all the points there. Now it has already reached the approach position and it is moving back to the ready position with a position level of 8. Okay, I'm going to start this again.